I'm telling you, straight from the heart, you can trust us and we will not abandon our fight against corruption. We will fight to the very end if allowed, and we will fight until, whatever it takes. Yeah, we are supposed to report every month to the Office of the President. Ayun ang mga report namin. This last report was 1,000 something pages. Back to back siya. We have a 30-day report, 60-day report, 90-day report. I'm making another one for 114-day report with more recommendations. Siyempre, this is a report. I cannot divulge to you what is inside these reports until what has been transmitted publicly to the Ombudsman, like information. Some of them are in the newspapers, but our recommendations, I have a lot, also within the I cannot divulge.